Welcome to the planet.
Electron transport system. Entropy, random energy. Release of energy, exergonic. Pigment center. She's a plant, so it's green. And the pigment center is where the pigments are, and the pigment gives them, the plant, its color.
Calvin cycle is a dark reaction.
She's choking her because she is anaerobic and can't live without oxygen.
Glycolysis makes two pyruvates. That's them.
Okay, this represents a plant cell, and in a plant cell, if this the outside of the basketball would be thylakoid membrane.
This is the mitochondria, or the powerhouse of the cell.
In the dark reactions or Calvin cycle, NADPH is used, or NADP.
Endergonic, taking in energy as Allison eats chips.
The pigment of Jessica's shirt is green.
Tessa is pulling apart her sandwich, which is a series of reactions or redox reactions.
Jessica is going to drink the chloroplast of the cell. Yummy yum, chloroplast. I am surrounded by stroma, open space.
Laws of thermodynamics. You can't make or destroy water, and if it evaporates or turns into ice, you're just changing the form.
These people were a coupled reaction.
Aerobic needs air to live.
Krebs cycle is a series of reactions that aid in production of ATP by generating electrons and releasing CO2.
She's been sitting there an awful long time. She might start to ferment.
These are the cristae, or the folds, for the mitochondria, or the powerhouse.
Pointing at the middle of the chlorophyll, or also known as mesophyll. NAD and FAD, also known as NAD and FAD, carry electrons back and forth through the cell.
Phosphorylation is the process of making ATP. Through oxidation, look at that, ATP.
This is a proton pump of the bathroom. Each droplet of water represents a proton. PS1 ejects energized electrons. PS2 receives energized electrons.
Hi. I'm giving you hydrogen and oxygen. Why? Because I'm the photolysis, and I give hydrogen and oxygen. Guarana is stacks of thylakoids. As you can see, the board games are stacked on the shelf.
Water going through a semipermeable membrane is regular osmosis, but when you add a chemical,
Like
it's
soap.
chemi-osmosis.
In the tissues of the mitochondria, there's things in between the folds, like little pieces of plastic, called the blank spaces or matrix.
Tessa is the enzyme. The sweet part in her mouth.
reaction is here.